What is up, guys? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. Right now, I'm with my friend Noah, the Facebook ads legend. And if you don't know him already, basically he's going to be in my new course. That's why he's here. We've been filming a lot of content for you guys about Facebook ads and how you can start making a lot of money with it. So he is 17 years old, just like me. He started his Facebook ads agency like what, a year ago or so?
Yeah,
about a year ago. But I'm gonna let him give a quick introduction about who he is and what he does.
All right, so my name's Noah, like you said. Basically, I like to say that I grow six-figure stores. That's like my main focus. We help other people grow stores. We've been seeing a lot of success in the e-commerce space since around like December, and since January of 2018, this year, we've generated 7 figures. So we're averaging like 200K a month or something like that. So we've grown like over six-figure stores, over 15 stores doing over 10K a month. And they've all been profitable so far, so we really focus on like profitability and stuff like that.
Yeah, there's a big thing. Their agency is not just focused on making money for themselves, but money for their clients by doing a profit share instead of a straight revenue share. But anyways, for today's video, I thought it would be good to have him on here to talk about a question that a lot of people ask me is, are Facebook ads too saturated? It's a space, is there too many ads, too much going on where I can't make money with it or what? And we're here to tell you why that is not the case and how you can still make a lot of money with Facebook ads and not have to worry about competition.
So saturation is like I'm assuming you mean like competition, right?
Yeah, competition wise.
Yeah,
there's too many people posting the same products or posting too many ads where the marketplace is just, can't be profitable.
Yeah, that's silly. One of the main things that we focus on is like cultivating data. So it's not about just like billboard ads, like where Facebook is just throwing up an ad and hoping that the right people see it. Facebook is going to optimize the ads, to show it in front of the right people. So just because my Facebook ad account optimizes a certain way doesn't mean that yours is going to optimize a certain way. So like if I have more data than you, it's going to be very difficult for our ads to even show to the same people, just because it's the way that the algorithm works. And it's a good note to say because I've scaled 2 stores with the same exact product. Both did 6 figures, both had like the same profit margins. There really was no issues with it. So, and I have 6-figure stores right now where there's other stores that I see, they have like millions of views on their Facebook ad for it. So I know that they're banking on it. So there's enough people out there for everybody to win.
Yeah, because it's completely different from influencers, because when you're posting on an influencer, it's like only a certain amount of people and a specific reason why they follow that page, that audience is going to see it. But Facebook is a lot more complex. We can actually go into detailed targeting because how many users are on Facebook? It's something crazy.
There's over 2 billion.
Yeah, 2 billion people that you can market to. So even if it's just cold traffic, of course data is king. Like he said, if you have data, you're basically above everybody else testing with cold traffic. So basically what we mean by cold traffic is if you're just targeting directly to an audience without any data, create an ad and your targeting is just to one interest or several interests where you're going towards a specific audience, but it's not the same with data because the data, the algorithm has already seen everything that's going on and it knows how to optimize it best compared to doing it without data. So what would you say to people that think it's saturated? What would you tell them to do?
Well, I mean, the thing is like if you're just starting out, like let's say you're doing like $1,000 a day in sales, like you're making like 30, 40 sales a day. Even competition is not really going to affect you like either way. Companies like McDonald's, Walmart, like competition seriously affects them. Like 1% of sales lost is literally millions of dollars. So, but like for you, like 1% of sales lost to your competitor is like $50. So like when you're just starting out, especially like just don't worry about it. Like even if the product is saturated, like there's been plenty of times, like we all know the products that are like everybody's tested them and you've seen them like a million times. Even we've tested those and been able to scale them to, like at least multi 5 figures, just to get like the first little bit of cash flow going, just to reinvest. So like really, like when you're just starting out, like competition is really nothing. Like you shouldn't be worried about it at all.
Yeah, because just the marketplace is so huge that there's enough room in there for everybody to make some money with it. The thing is just you actually have to learn exactly how to use Facebook ads, whether it's cold traffic or with data, because you don't have to start with influencers. I know a lot of people both on YouTube and everything else have told you guys, start with influencers. I'm pretty sure I've probably told you guys that But when it really comes down to it, if you have the right amount of money, you can start with Facebook ads and actually start testing with cold traffic and then get the data from that and optimize it to make more money. It's just all about learning the process and not rushing it. A lot of people rush into it too fast. They set up some ads and a day later there's not good results, so they just think it's unprofitable, there's no money to be made, they're going to be losing money the whole time, so they just completely stop.
Yeah, I mean that's the thing as well, like the strategy that you're following, like it's going to be very difficult for you to even like compete in the marketplace if you're trying to compete. You should just be focused on like what you're doing and make sure that you have your stuff figured out first, before trying to be savvy with choosing products and all that. So like it's really important to be following like the right strategy, because the products that we test, like a million other people test them, but like the strategy that we follow, like almost every product that we test makes a sale just because of the angle that we put it out at. So it doesn't mean it's going to be a winner, but like we at
least know how to get it. You know how to get the ball rolling and start getting some sales with it.
Right,
and he does talk about this stuff in my course, guys. We were filming videos yesterday. He's dropping some knowledge for you guys. August 1st is when that launches. And you guys will be able to see all of that. We'll be doing giveaways and all kinds of stuff for that. So I'm excited for that. But there's enough room out there on Facebook for everybody. If you think Facebook ads are too saturated, you're completely wrong. Even I started doing some different stuff here, testing with different products, and I've seen that there is money to be made even if there's a bunch of other people selling it. It's not like influencers where you can see a lot of people are selling it, and if they post it on the same influencer, of course it's going to get saturated within that certain audience. But Facebook, there's so many people out there that the algorithm can spread it to so many different people where you can get tons of sales just by yourself, even if there is competition. So any last words for the people?
Yeah, I mean, just make sure that you're testing good products. Don't worry about competition too much, especially if you're just starting out.
Yep.
Just focus on you.
Yeah. Don't rush it either. Don't become impatient. Patience is a big thing with Facebook ads, I would say. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Make sure you go follow Noah on Instagram. I'll put it right here. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.